Welcome to Deanna Ford CPA's how-to videos. In this video, we will go over how to back up a QuickBooks file. It is important to regularly back up your company file in case of accidental data loss. You can restore all of your relevant data from a recent backup. There are several ways to create a backup copy of your company file. In the main QuickBooks screen, click on File at the top left menu bar and click Create Copy. You should see a dialog box appear on the screen with several options. Choose the first option, Backup Copy, and click Next. On this next screen, select the default option, which is Local Backup. If you have never backed up a company file, the next dialog box will give you further options for this backup and future backups. You will also be able to choose a location in which to save this file. If you have backed up a company file before but wish to change your backup settings, simply click the Options button. The two dialog boxes are the same. It's a good idea to save your backup files to a location other than where your working company files are located. Otherwise, a dialog box will appear prompting you to change the file location. In this tutorial, we will disregard the dialog box and save it to the intended location. On the next screen, you will have several options to set up when you want to save this backup. We will choose Save It Now and click Next to name the file. QuickBooks will automatically generate a name for the backup file. However, you can change it if you wish. Depending on the size of your company file, backing up a company file is a process that might take a few minutes. Be sure to check out our video on how to restore a QuickBooks file from a backup copy.